Are you looking for the 4 best dash cams of 2023, tested and reviewed? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best dash cams of 2023, tested and reviewed on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue N1 Pro Uber Dual. The Vantrue N1 Pro Uber Dual is one of the best cameras you will find on the market today. It includes just about every option you could look for in a dash cam. The front-facing camera can record in crystal clear 2.5K resolution with a wide 170 at field of view. The secondary cabin-facing camera records in 1080p HD with a 140 at field of view. If you are a rideshare driver, the secondary camera on the N1 Pro can be an essential tool if you need photo or video proof of rough and rowdy guests, experience any unwanted damage in your vehicle, or can be a way to help you feel safe. The camera also has a microphone to capture any verbal interactions. On top of this great video quality, and nearly 310 out of coverage, the N1 Pro's rear-facing camera has infrared sensors that enable it to capture usable images even in complete darkness. A definite downside to the N1 is its price. It is almost twice the price of some other single-camera models that can also produce impressively clear footage. That extra cost is only really worth it if you need the second cab-facing camera. The unit itself is also a bit on the bulky side, but we honestly prefer having one larger unit over other dual-camera models with separate units connected by a mess of wires. Finally, this model lacks wireless video sharing, so you must plug in the camera to a computer to download its video. These things aside, this is the best camera we've found for rideshare drivers or anyone that wants a cab-facing camera with high-quality video capture. Number 2. Vantrue N1 Pro. The Vantrue N1 Pro is a low-profile camera that performs well and won't break the bank. It has a wide 160-degree field of view with 1080p resolution. That said, its video quality is somewhat grainy, but license plates and street signs are still legible. The Vantrue includes a G sensor, which triggers the camera to lock in videos after a sudden stop or accident. When hardwired, the N1 has a 24-hour parking mode, which will automatically begin recording when nearby movement is detected. Though if you don't want to hardwire this cam, it has a 130 mAh 7V polymer Li-ion battery, which will keep things rolling on long drives. Though the Vantrue N1 has decent daytime video quality, it's lacking at nighttime. License plates become almost impossible to read with its large, washed-out glare. Additionally, it doesn't have Wi-Fi connection access and completely relies on one camera to capture everything. All in all, this is still a great option that won't empty your pockets. Number 3. Garmin Tandem. With its dual, or tandem, cameras, the Garmin Tandem offers visibility outside and inside your vehicle. Both cameras offer a whopping 180 field of view with little to no distortion. This level of visibility on a cab-facing camera is a rare feature that ensures you'll catch everything you need. The camera's quality is no joke either. The exterior cam offers 1440p vision during the day and 720p in the dark, and the interior camera offers 720p vision across the board. The voice commands and app make this dash cam easy to use, and the slim body leaves your driving view unobstructed, which is something that most bulky dual-cam devices do not offer. While the app and voice commands are very user-friendly, the interface on the device itself is rather minimal and less intuitive. The Tandem is also devoid of a screen. Because the device is so small, a screen would be somewhat useless anyways, but it is a feature worth noting, especially for its higher price tag. These issues will only burden the user if they do not have a smartphone, or would prefer not to use the app. Overall, the Tandem is a great option for anyone who needs to record inside and outside their vehicle. Number 4. Nextbase 622GW 4 Kelvin. The Nextbase 622GW comes equipped with a massive screen when compared to the average dash cam. This 3-inch LCD touchscreen is accurate and easy to see. The 622GW offers a number of safety features like parking mode, SOS service, and Alexa support, all easily navigated by a clearly labeled and intuitive menu. The video quality and reliability are great, ensuring you don't miss a beat. Our biggest gripe with the Nextbase 622GW is its price. While there is no denying that it is a high-performing option, others in our test suite almost match its performance for a fraction of the price. If you are looking for an intuitive dash cam with a large touchscreen and do not mind spending the money, the 622GW is an option you should explore further. Number 5. Miofive Car Dash Cam with GPS. Equipped with 4 Kelvin resolution and a wide 140-degree field of view, the Miofive 4 Kelvin provides sharp and detailed daytime footage. The menu is easy to navigate and easily viewed with its 2.2 inches LCD screen.
Please check the
This
product link below
top-performing
the
dash
description.
cam includes a sensitive G sensor, time-lapse videos, GPS location services, and a mobile app for easy viewing and downloading.
Please subscribe to our channel
Unfortunately,
for
it
more
only
updates.
includes one forward-facing camera, and its size makes it noticeable when driving around. Drive smarter when you bring along the Miofive Dash camera for cars. Ultra-high-definition imagery, G-sensor, and motion detection make this car dash cam the ultimate witness to accidents and vandalism. 4 Kelvin dash cam for truckers and sedans captures 4x more detail than other car video camera kits. With night vision for low-light environments, our car camera records scenic drives and accidents in 2160p UHD. 5G Wi-Fi-supported driving recorder camera for car lets you transfer footage easily to your phone or tablet with the Miofive app. GPS tracking and G-sensor saves segments with speed and location data. Intelligent AI algorithm in the Miofive dashcam monitors road conditions. Go Assist alerts you to sudden turns, braking and accelerations, and signals you to proceed when the car ahead of you moves. Easy to use and travel-friendly, this small dashcam delivers big results. It boasts a 2.2 inches display, 140° vertical and horizontal viewing angle, and versatile plug-and-play or hardwire installation.